Gates open. They're up and racing. Final judgment. Draws for your lead. Running on the outside. Hot Gossip. By the rail is Forest All is sneaking in is Musashi. Something new running in between runners. Then next in line Ideal View Double O running by the rail. Then followed by Boss Pogi. How did you know? Sharp Cookie running alongside Grand Sensation second last and followed over on the outside by entry number 10 Dr. Choice as they race towards the last 800. This one, Final Judgment in command by about a length and a half. Musashi in second, then followed by Something New. Forest All racing in fourth, then fading out Hot Gossip. Moving up on the outside, Ideal View, Double O sneaking in down on the inside as they race towards the last 600 with Final Judgment still leading the field by about a length and a half. Musashi in second, then racing in third, Forest All. Moving up on the outside is Ideal View by the rail, Double O as they race at the last 450. Final Judgment, Double O, moving up down on the inside, running on the outside. How did you know? And down the stretch they come. Final Judgment still leading the field. Double O now about to throw the challenge on the outside. Final Judgment, Double O is on the outside. Double O, Final Judgment by the rail with 75 meters. Jeff Sarate over number 6. Final Judgment on Double O winning this race. Over Final Judgment, then comes Grand Sensation. How did you know? Then comes number 10, Dr. Choice, and number 3, Forest All for your Super 6.